My weight go up, my weight go down. It go up, it go down. It go up, it go down.
Andrea, and I am back today with another video. Oh my goodness, y'all. Today I am feeling a lot better. I still have my days. Y'all watched my last video. Y'all know what's going on with me already. But if I am like anybody else that has been in this quarantine, in this pandemic since March, what have we done, y'all? We've been snacking. We've been eating, not working out. Some people working out from home. I have not been working out. So let me tell y'all, we about to get into this video because I have signed up with True Fitness with Sabrina Miles, and I am about to get ready to work out, okay? When I got on that scale, let me show y'all. Look at the scale, y'all. Here it come. Y'all look. Yes. Okay, did y'all see that? A 2. I'm in the 200s, okay? Not just like 201, 202. No. Your girl, I am at 222 pounds, okay? Like, I am in no way bragging about this. I am not happy about this. I am quite frankly disappointed in myself that I have even let myself go like this to get up to 222 pounds. I'm going to show y'all a picture, okay? Because 2 years ago, I was not at 200, and I was just, meeting my boyfriend, and, I was looking good. I was looking kind of good, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wasn't, like, super skinny, but I was looking good. Okay, y'all, look at this picture. Let me show y'all this picture. Y'all see that? That's how I was looking when I met my boyfriend, okay? Just 2 years ago, okay? So, anyway, y'all, stay with me. I am going to work out. Now, today is Sunday, so I'm not going to work out today. I'm going to work out tomorrow. Hence why I got my makeup on. You see I done curled my hair a little bit. It's going to be a ponytail and no makeup when y'all get ready to go to the next clip, okay? So stay with me. We about to see how this workout about to go with Miss Sabrina at True Fitness. And I am excited. I am ready to just go on this journey of weight loss. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell so y'all can get notified every time I upload a video, okay? Because, like, not every video that I post from right now is going to be about weight loss, but we on a journey, y'all. Like, this is a for real deal weight loss journey. For years, I have struggled with my weight.
My weight go up, my weight go down. It go up, it go down. It go up, it go down.
Like, it's just a cycle of weight gain, weight loss. So I'm about to get ready to show y'all, my little, my body. I'm going to show y'all, like a side, and then the front, and then probably turn to this side. But y'all going to be able to see my stomach. I'm embarrassed to even show y'all this, but I got to do it. You know what I'm saying? This is YouTube. YouTube is all about being real, being transparent, and, like, letting your subscribers know the real deal you. Okay? Y'all, we about to get into these workouts in the morning with Miss Sabrina, and so I am actually really excited. I'm ready to spend my money with her and let somebody help motivate me to work out, because I can go to the gym. I got a Y membership, but I go, and then when I get bored or when I'm tired, I'm done. No, like, I need somebody to be there like, no, you got this. Come on. 2 more, 5 more, whatever. You got this. Keep going. And that's what I need. I need that extra push. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Like, just that extra push. I need So anyway, I'm getting all hyper. But anyway, y'all, just stay with me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Okay? Let's get into this workout. Y'all pray for me. Let's just go. Come on. Get ready to do this, okay? So let's get it in.
Flat back, booty up. There you go, booty up. Remember, not a squat. Bend over. Yeah, slight bend in my knees though. Slight bend in my knees as I go down. There you go, feel it in the back of your legs. Yeah, core tight as I come up though. Build that thing. Core tight now, blow. Guys, so on this clip I just basically wanted to show Sabrina helping another person, and it was her first day too. She smashed it.
Like crazy. She's working the hell out of me, y'all. I'm tired. was my workout with Sabrina. She worked me out like crazy. Okay, y'all seen me falling. I was tired, I was hot, I was sweating. Everything above, I felt like I was so fucking out of shape. I couldn't hardly do anything, especially when we got on the floor. Y'all see me falling, but it's okay. I signed up for the classes. I am going to be coming back. I'm going to be committed, and we are on a journey, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of the family and be a part of this journey with me. Okay, I'm getting out of here because I need to go home and take a shower. I feel a little lightheaded. I need something to eat. I got my water, but I need something to eat. Okay, catch y'all in the next video.